Welcome back, detective. In the last one, it was a perfume receipt from stall 12 at Moonlight Market. So let's keep going. We'll find the seller. Moonlight Market was almost empty at midnight. Colorful lights still blinked over stall 12. A young woman named Maya packed small bottles, small vials, into a wooden box. Detective Lee showed the receipt to Maya. Maya looked surprised. Yes, I sold. Yes, she said. I sold Jasmine Breeze. Tonight, the buyer wore black gloves and a red silk scarf. She wanted the bottle wrapped quickly. Detective Lee asked for a name, but the seller had only a payment slip. It showed C Vega, card ending 4452. Maya added, one more thing. The buyer dropped a bus ticket, Route 17 to River Bridge. She left before I could return it. Detective Lee thanked her and took the bus ticket and checked her watch. The last bus left for River Bridge 15 minutes ago. Hmm, I still have time. We'll stop here. There is a final episode. I'll keep you in suspense for now. Now let's go through some words that we have used in this short story. What's a stall? Stall 12. A stall is a small shop table in a market. I brought fruit. I bought fruit from a market stall. So someone bought a perfume, a vial of perfume from this market stall number 12. That's a clue. A receipt. A receipt was another clue. That's a piece of paper showing payment. So keep your receipt for exchanges. So obviously, this person did not keep her receipt. The receipt was still with the seller. Route. I like to pronounce this word as route rather than route. A route is the path a bus or train follows. So which bus route goes to the beach? So which bus route did the lady take? And to where? Okay, the answer is bus route 17. Where does bus route 17 go? What color scarf did the buyer wear? These are more clues with the name Vega and the bus route 17 to River Bridge will lead Detective Lee straight to the thief's hideout and the missing artwork. In episode 5, the showdown at River Bridge. So you've got a theory about the thief, Vega? Share it in the comments. Hit the subscribe and ring button so that you'll catch the final episode where every clue comes together and the mystery is solved. Keep those detective eyes. Keep your English sharp.